Welcome to our channel where we simplify your banking challenges with easy solutions for TIAA Bank transaction processing issues. Welcome to our channel. Today, let's walk through a clear and professional method to fix TIAA Bank transaction processing problems step by step, ensuring smooth and efficient banking experiences. First, start by verifying your internet connection to make sure there are no disruptions interfering with the transaction process. A stable connection is crucial for seamless communication with the bank's servers. Second, log into your TIAA Bank account using a secure and updated browser or the official mobile app. Outdated platforms can cause processing delays or errors. Third, review your account details carefully, including checking your account balance to ensure sufficient funds are available for the intended transaction. Insufficient funds often cause processing failures. Fourth, examine the transaction information for accuracy, especially the recipient's account number and routing details, which must be precise to avoid rejection. Fifth, if you encounter a processing error message, note the exact wording or code as it can help in troubleshooting or when contacting customer support. Sixth, clear your browser cache or app data and restart the application. This often resolves temporary glitches hindering transaction execution. Seventh, attempt the transaction again after taking these preparatory steps. Eighth, if problems persist, contact TIAA Bank customer service through their official phone number or secure messaging system to report the issue and receive expert guidance. Provide them with the error message details and any relevant transaction information. Ninth, follow any additional instructions or perform suggested account verifications recommended by customer support. Lastly, always update your contact information and regularly check for bank communications to stay informed about system maintenance or potential issues that could affect transaction processing. By carefully following these steps, you can quickly identify and resolve common transaction processing problems with TIAA Bank, effectively maintaining your financial operations without stress. Remember, maintaining accurate details and timely communication with your bank are keys to smooth transaction processing.